Hey, I'm on a mission to get wood, and I kind of know what I'm getting, and some nails, and I should have myself a plastic cutter in the house, and I'm winterizing a window over again. Hey, I'm Fish. So rather have just a plastic thing and on there a piece of metal, I'm doing it. Hey, check this out, man. He's scary. He caught my attention. So rather have plastic on the window again and a piece of metal. I'm making a piece of wood that I can slip in, plastic plexiglass that I got, and I need to narrow it down and cut it down, and that's the important part, is the plexiglass making it right. So I saw this camera called the Dream Leica Cube, something like Leica, and yeah, it's DJI Osmo Nano. Deposit $5, reserve your $269, 64 gig, or a little bit more, 128 gig, black or white. That's what makes it a Nano. It's the same exact model. I'm still thinking. I'm still waiting for that sale of the Insta360 Go Ultra. There's always something happening, always something that you gotta do and take care of. And that's the way it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So as we ride along to Lowe's, I'm not going into Home Depot. Maybe later, I'll get into Harbor Freight. Check him out. Grand opening. I have yet to go in to get something that I need. Or the days where grand opening stores offered free sale items. Cookie, candy, snack. That'd be just something to say, hey, welcome aboard. Thank you for stopping by. I don't even think they have that. Yeah, rainy day, no bike day. So far, no drop of water, but the ground is wet. As we ride along, get to where we need to be at, we're almost there. As we pull into the parking lot, we'll get a cart inside, get what I need. Greeted by the snowman. What I needed. So let's get on going. Nails, wood, cut them in half. So let's get on going. I'll do this project when I get a chance. No rush to do it. I gotta go meet up with Joe, take care of some beeswax. That's how things work. Did you know that the new CRVs, they don't have the dream handles that you pull, that the seats go down? Go bring the cart back. Put it in this spot. See if I could do this in one shot. Oh, I almost made it. All I need to do is just give it another push, like so, and off it goes and it goes. Made its home. Yeah, so let's get on out of here. Catch you another day.